Right, good day and welcome. November 2013, question 9, cubic functions, calculus. Function is defined by f of x equal x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 2. Sketch below. P minus 1 and r are turning points of f, so they are stationary points. Graph turns at r and it turns at p. P does not make contact there, so only one root. Alright, show that a equal 1 and b equal minus 1. Right, so first and foremost, they've given us that p minus 1 and minus 1 is a turning point. So we should know when I place in minus 1 in the place here, minus 1 in place of x, substitute, I get a minus 1 as an answer. Right, and then second and foremost, if I make the second derivative equal to 0, I get minus 1 when I solve this. Alright, so f of x equal x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 2. So first, y is minus 1 when x is minus 1. So minus 1 cubed plus minus 1 squared plus minus 1 minus 2. If you simplify all that, it becomes 2 equal a minus b. Then first derivative, 3 times 1 give me 3x squared. And that becomes 2ax, 2 minus 1, x. And that simply becomes b, the constant falls away. So first derivative equals 0 when x is minus 1. So minus 1 squared minus 1 gives me second equation, minus 3 equal minus 2a plus b. From here I would say equation 1 plus equation 2 or 2 plus 1. So minus 2 times a gives me negative a, b minus b becomes 0. Minus 3 plus 1 becomes minus 1. So negative divided by negative, a equal positive 1. If I substitute this back in there, a is 1. That will become 2 minus 1 is 1, but it's negative b, so b equals negative 1. So hope you follow, hope you understand. Right? That's working out given one stationary point, finding the equation. Next problem, write down the coordinates of the turning point of h. If h is defined by h of x equal 2f of x minus 4. Alright, so we're going to take my two turning points, one being minus 1 and 1, and r I got, r was 1 over 3. Oh wait, I'm skipping a question. Answer otherwise determine the x coordinates of r. My apologies. Now r is the turning point of f, so first derivative, so if I substitute back, that's the equation I have now. So first derivative of that, 3 times that gives me 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. Right, if I factorize, 3 is a prime number, can only be 3 times 1, 3x times x, minus 1 times 1 gives me minus 1, and that gives me 3x minus x equal 2x. So from there, x equal 1 over 3 or x equal minus 1. Remember, p is minus 1 and minus 1, so therefore r should be x equal to 1 over 3. So for 9.3, write down the coordinates of the turning points of h. H defined as h of x equal 2 times f of x minus 4. That would be minus 1, which was my turning point, and I have to substitute minus 1 in the place of f. So that simply means in that equation I put minus 1 cubed plus minus 1 squared minus 1 in brackets minus 2. Minus the 4 times 2 gives me negative 6. Other turning point I have for r is 1 over 3. So that would become 2 f1 over 3. f1 over 3 goes back in that equation. 1 over 3 cubed, 1 over 3 squared minus 1 over 3 minus 2. Do it on a calculator. That answer times 2. And then minus 4 gives me 226 over 27 negative. Right, so hope you follow, hope you understand. All the best, continue working hard. People that work hard reap the success. Work hard now, relax later, or relax now and work hard for the rest of your life. Choice is yours. All the best, God bless, bye.